Hello everybody and welcome to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. In the purple box there is some mystery math and your challenge is to figure out what it is. You can use the link in the description to try this out, and when you think you've got an answer, come on back, see if we get the same thing. Alright, I am going to begin with a 0. 0 gives us 0. Okay, how about 1? 1 gives us -1. Let's try a 2. 2 gives us some decimal there. Whoops. Looks definitely like a curve. Maybe this is an upside down square root function. Let's try a 3. And we're getting another decimal there. So the numbers aren't telling me a whole lot there, but we're getting this nice smooth curve. Let's try something in the negatives and see if that gives not a number. That's what I would expect if we've got just a flipped around square root thing here. So let's try -1. Oh, okay. So -1 gives us 1, and 1 gave us -1. So maybe we're symmetrical across the origin. Let's try a -2. And that looks like just the positive version of what we got on the other side. Let's see if that continues. Yeah, so it looks like we're having some symmetry here. I actually want to try some fractional values. So I'm going to put in 1/2 and -1/2. Aha. So I wanted those fractional values because this looked similar to something we did a couple of weeks ago. And what I was thinking is, this looks like a cubic function, but flipped on its side. And what we found out a couple of weeks ago is that something that sort of looks like a cubic function, but is flipped on its side, might be the cube root of x. And since we've got the point 0, 0, I think we've got something like that, although it's not quite right because if you put in 1, the cube root of 1 is 1, but we got -1. And when you put in -1, the cube root of -1 should be -1, but we got 1. So I think we're just flipping all the signs. So this is the negative cube root of x, or it could even be the cube root of -x. That wouldn't make a difference where you put that negative sign. So if I put in something like -27, the cube root of -27 is -3. So let's put in -27, and then so that would be -3, but then we take the negative out, so we should get out a +3 if we put in -27. And we do get a +3. So I think we've got this. I think this is the negative cube root of x. Let's go ahead and reveal. And there it is. We can graph that. Yeah, we get that flipped on its side looking cubic looking function that is the cube root of x. And in this case, the negative cube root of x just sort of flips the direction of the arms. Well, how did that go for you? Did you think cube root? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.